Greeting friends, Namaste. Let's start our next lesson. In it we will repeat the exercises from the previous lessons and also add a lean forward called in yoga Paschimottanasana. Stand in Tadasana, connect your big toes, roll your tailbone down and straighten your lower back. Pull the back of your head up, make your shoulders wider, open your chest, breathe slowly with a full breath. Fine, let's sit on the floor. Position yourself so that your heels are off of the mat. On the yoga mat, the legs will not be able to slide forward. Bending your legs, lie with your body on your tips. Bring your arms down and hug your legs. Pull yourself to your feet. Now let your heels slide forward. Continue this movement for as long as possible. At the end point, we will breathe for a while. Breathe slowly but deeply. Expand your chest as you inhale. On an inhale, return the resting position. We let the body relax for a few breaths. Now we will do straight leg version of Paschimottanasana. Stretch your arms up with an inhale. Exhale as you lean forward a little. On next inhalation, straight where your arms are pointing. With next exhalation, lean even more. Then put your hands on the floor. Let your palms rest on the floor when you can easily reach. Continue to slowly and deeply breathe. If you manage to relax, continue to lean further. On the next inhale, return to the resting pose. Next, we will do an exercise that you already know. Connect the feet, put your hands on them and move your legs up and down. Next, we will perform a forward bend. This pose is called Paschimottanasana. It is useful for opening the hip joints. Come back from bending. Sit on a cushion. We will practice Sukhasana. Modern man is fascinated by the material world. Therefore, modern yogis tend to surprise with complex asanas. In many ways, that turns yoga into a sport. Therefore, only few people will tell you today that the main exercise in ancient yoga thought to be meditation. All asanas in ancient yoga were just a tool for preparing the body for meditation. Without preparation, the body will not be able to sit still, and the mind will not be able to calm down if the back or knees start to hurt. A person with open hips can meditate in a lotus position, but ordinary people were advised to try to meditate in a comfortable position, Sukhasana. That's what we are doing now, trying to sit still. Take a deep breath and open your eyes as you exhale. This concludes our lesson. Do this practice for a few more days and then proceed to lesson 4. Have a good day. Namaste.